Child, we are getting down in it on this Sunday reset. Welcome back, guys, to another Sunday reset video. And let me tell you something, because I was tired, y'all. I was tired. I've been going non-stop since I had some brand deals that I needed to complete for the month of August, and also in preparation for going to New York to the award show. Right after that, it's almost my husband's birthday, so I'm like, okay, with planning, your mind is overthinking, doing physical stuff and everything. And y'all know I like to get down when I'm cleaning and everything else that I have to deal with. So my body was definitely in need of a little at-home pampering, let's call it that. And I told myself, I decided, like, for this week, because I'm like, whew, most of everything is already complete in preparation with my husband's birthday. We're not doing anything too much because, you know, he's not that person, so I know that it's time. And I decided that I am going to take care of myself this week. I'm not doing no cleaning because we had the cleaning lady came Thursday, so I did not need to clean. So I was saying, it's perfect timing. I booked her around the same time. She was actually supposed to come last week, but because of the hurricane and everything, I said, listen, miss, you can stay home. It don't make no sense. And then for this week, I'm like, okay, I'm going to pamper myself at home. And I did just that. We're here relaxing in this tub that I only use a few times. And I added the Epsom salt to it. When I get out, I'm not gonna lie, it feels so good. I was clearing my mind right here and just being like, block out everything else and just take a deep breath, you know, and just take care of myself. Let me tell you guys something. I did take a shower. I don't know about nobody else, but I'm not gonna sit in a tub and not bathe because I'm gonna have to clean all that dirt afterwards. So I did take a shower before, and I wanted like 15 to 20 minutes relaxing in the tub afterwards. We did that, but guess what? One thing we're not gonna forget is skincare. We're gonna get down in skincare, of course, skincare. So let's do that. Now, before we go any further, I want to excuse my lace right here. It was a bit tight and I decided to pull it back. Didn't remember that I'm gonna record my skincare, so it's actually showing. Now, if you guys look in the cleanser that I'm using, I'm doing a little bit of experiment to add something else, and hence why the color is different. But this is a brightening cleanser which helps with hyperpigmentation, inflammation in the skin. It brightens the skin. It also have like a scrub inside, so it's gonna exfoliate the skin as well. The color is like that because, like I said, I was doing an experiment to see if I wanted to change it, added another ingredient, so that's why it's like that, just to make it clear. And I like to cleanse my face twice. If I'm wearing makeup for the whole day, I'll do 2 cleanser. I'll probably use the exfoliating cleanser twice, or if it's my time of the month, I'll do it with the acne cleanser last. So I still like to exfoliate with this cleanser. We're gonna add the toner, and this helps. It have a cool feature in it, cucumber and watermelon. So this one cools down the skin, let the skin feel calm. It also have ingredients like green tea, witch hazel. All the toner have witch hazel because it's gonna help to completely clean the skin. I think I was watching a video, so I'm there looking on my phone. I was listening to something and stuff like that. Yeah, I feel clean, relaxed, and it was just time for me to go in bed because everyone was asleep. So I knew I was gonna have a good night's sleep. And yeah, it felt so good. I'm brushing my teeth like always. Whenever I'm recording, I'll brush my teeth outside of the shower. Most of the times I brush my teeth when I'm taking a shower. So yeah, I don't want you guys to see me brushing my teeth, so I'm just trying to cover up my mouth a little bit, but I like to brush my teeth right when I'm going into bed and not before or anything, because I want to go to bed with my mouth feeling light, fresh and clean. So that's what we're doing. I don't know if you guys are like me, but I have to clean my nose with paper towel when I'm done taking a shower. If you don't do it, please clean out your nose. Wherever we go, there's stuff that goes up in our nose, and I promise you, if you wash your face and clean your nose out, you'll see that there's stuff coming out there on a paper towel, okay? Don't use a rag. I hate it. Use a piece of paper towel because that thing is nasty. Anyway, we're adding the serum and my face looks so cool. This serum is going to tackle dark spot, the green side, dark spot, hyperpigmentation, all that stuff. So if you want to brighten your skin, this is a set for you. And I'm going to pamper my body a little bit with my oil, Jergens lotion. I feel like the Jergens lotion kind of trap the moisture in my skin, hence why I'm using it. I did add this thing under my armpit. I don't know if I'm gonna tell you guys to get it. Another YouTuber I saw with it, but I got it. I'm not sure if it's working because I don't use it every time, because when you use it you cannot add on any deodorant. So it's like a chroma bright thing. It says it helps with under armpit darkness or something like that. I'm not sure if it's working because I recently started using it. It's a bit pricey. It was like $30 something, so I don't even know if you guys are gonna buy that. Okay, I will not speak about it. But last but definitely not least, we're adding our moisturizer. I go to bed with every single thing that I do, the 4-step. I cleanse, tone, serum, and moisturize my skin. I like to pat in my serum so I let it dries into the skin. Afterwards, I'll add my moisturizer last. So make sure you guys are doing that. It's good and it's recommended to use all products on your skin, okay? So that's what we're doing. Feeling good. I'm gonna also add on some gloss on my lips. My what is that thing called again for dry lips? You know what it is. Carmax. Is it Carmax? Yes, that's the name. So that's what we're doing. I did went ahead and get dressed, spraying myself with some body spray because I like to spray and smell good going to bed. That's just me. I don't know about nobody else because I like to smell good, especially if you're sleeping with somebody. Please just put on a little body spray, okay? Yeah. Now we're done with taking a shower, skincare and everything. I am going to relax before bedtime and read a book. So I recently found a book on TikTok and I decided to get it. It's like a journal. The shadow, what is it called again? I'm gonna tell you guys the name. I'm gonna put it on the screen right there. It's a journal. So I on TikTok decided to run through everything before I start reading it, because there's a date and everything that you need to write down when you start reading the book and when you end it. So I want to make sure that I don't stop and I could read this off in a couple of days. So we're gonna start with this journal. I am going to put it on the screen because I'm doing a voiceover now and I totally don't remember what the name is. I don't have my other phone, so I'll put it there. It's on TikTok. You can get it on Amazon as well. Oh, I'm gonna look for it and put it on my Amazon storefront so you guys could get it out there, because yeah. But I was there also checking my phone before going into bed, say my prayer and go fall asleep. Kushane and Olivia was already in bed, so everybody was sleeping. It was just me having so much to do, and I wanted to do self-care for the night. I didn't just want to take a shower. I want to get in and just relax, detox my mind, and be ready for the week to come, because yeah, we gotta be prepared, okay? And I'm prepared to do something new and do a different schedule. I'm gonna do that because the one that I have is messed up, because I'll be freelancing and do what I feel like I need to do. So we're gonna change that. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week again. Make sure you take care of yourself, ladies. If you're watching this video, take care of yourself. If you don't have the Epsom salt, you wait until next week. But for the month of September, I want you guys to tell me that you did take a bath. If you're not having a tub, I'm pretty sure y'all have something you can lay in, okay? But take care of yourself. If not, you can do a little skincare. Always remember, God is love, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.